Hello guys, welcome back to Frontend Weekly. In part 1, we built the basic version of our React weather widget with a clean UI and real-time weather data from a free public API. In current video, we'll finish the widget by adding a better search experience, polishing the button behavior, and make the app feel more complete and usable. Let's improve our code and take it to next level. So I think for user, very good practice. It's where when he can search, yeah, some city, for example. So and let's add this functionality. Yeah. So I think the first is we can add some. I'm sorry, some title. Yeah. For example, weather widget. Yeah. Let's add class name. Can copy class name. Font weight, font bold, and font size like XL. I think, yeah, XL. Yeah, weather widget. Um, Very good. And let's add margin bottom. I think margin bottom 2. It's equal to 8 pixels. Yeah. Yeah, here we can see 008. So the next step is let's create input, yeah, for it. Input with type text. Next, we should add, for example, placeholder, yeah. uh, enter city and 3 dots. Next, it's we should have value, yeah, value, and on change function, on change, yeah, with event, yeah. As I remember, we have a video with use state, and we created a controlled input. So let's do it one more time. Yeah. Search value. Search value. Set search value. By default, it's empty state. Not empty string. Yeah. Search value. Add to our value and set search value. We should paste event target value. Yeah, very good. Let's try how it works. Let's console search value. Yeah, something like this. Console. Yeah, it's working correctly. Key. Yeah, and here we can see key. Let's add some styles because it's a little bit ugly. Class name. For example, with full bg blue, text white, for example, padding y 8 pixels, rounded also large, and no, let's delete bg. I think just add padding, rounded, and let's border. Yeah, border. Border gray, 2. Yeah, oh, let's add 3. Yeah, something like this. Maybe at but yeah, it's better, I think. And one more. Let's do it 80. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, it's hate. Yeah, it's hate. Max with here. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Let's double check. Oh my god. Yeah, Max with it's just wrapper for our weather. It's hate. So yeah, maybe we can do it. Why? Let's refresh the page. No. Ah, it's just Max with. Yeah, with full. Yeah, better, but a little. Yeah, 14, I think, enough. Yeah, good. And how we can manage it? We can use button, for example, yeah, and call our function when user clicks on this button. Yeah, it should works. Button, yeah. Um, let's add loading here. Yeah, we have loading. A little bit later I show you how we can check how it works. Loading, yeah, if it's true, loading. In other case, get weather. In a real project, or if you want, you can change here text for some animated loader, for example. Yeah, it's will be very beautiful. But for testing, for learning, it's enough. But if you wanna have some more practice, let's do it, and it will be beautiful. Let's add some styles with full. Also, BG, yeah, here blue. Next text white. Next, let's add paddings. Paddings also two. Rounded, large, and let's add maybe hover. Yeah, hover. BG blue. Don't forget about cursor. Cursor pointer. Pointer. Yeah, and let's set margins. Yeah, margin top, for example, 4, and here margin top, for example, 3. Let's check it. No, 1. I think enough. Yeah. So very good. Let's check our click. Yeah. How we can check it? Console on click. Yeah. Add callback and do something. In our case, console.log click. Or we can try to show our search value. Yeah, I think it's very good. Let's Kyiv, get weather, and we have Kyiv here. So I think we're ready for adding it to function, to our function. So here we can change city, oh I'm sorry, Kyiv to city. Yeah. Um, not city in our case, it's search value. No, search value, city. And I think we should add some project, or not project, condition. For example, if we don't have city, yeah, if we do mistake and click, but without city, uh, not city, search value, I'm so sorry. Um, we should stop this function, yeah. And let's clear errors, yeah. Set error also, something like this. And we should update our weather. Now, yeah, now it's clear. And let's delete this because we don't need it. We need call this API just by click. Yeah, get weather. We can skip callback because we don't need any arguments. And so let's try how it works. Click, and I don't see some API calls. And let's, yeah, first it's getting our coordinates, yeah, name London, London. We have result, get first value, get coordinates, call second type, check it, yeah, in this case, in this place, we check if we don't have location, we skip next steps. And second, we use these values and get the weather. Yeah, so I think our simple widget is ready. And let's do one more thing with our code. I know, and I always use this practice. It calls custom hooks. Yeah. So let's try to create our first custom hook. Um, what is what does it mean? It's like when we try separate our logic from our layout. Yeah. Custom hooks have some rules. For example, it should always name of custom hook should always start from use. Yeah, use, and here we can weather widget dot. It's a function, yeah, but not G6 JS. It's enough because in custom hooks we just return some values, not some layout. So, and here const use weather widget, it's still arrow function, but it should return value, some values, not div. Yeah, export default use weather widget. And what is our next steps and how we can use it? So we have logic here. Let's cut all this logic, all functions, all states, all constants, etc. from this file, yeah? And paste here. Yeah, very good. And let's check what we should have do in this file. Error, I think. It means that we should return error here. Loading, weather. What else? What else? Set search value, I think. Search value too. Yeah, search value. Let's set search value, search value. What else? And weather. Yeah, I think weather it's our. No, that's all. So it's our first custom hook. Yeah, it's not hook high order component. It's just a hook where we save all logic from our component. Yeah, we cut it from here and paste in our custom hook. So let's try to use it. Yeah. It's a function, so we should call it. It's like use state, yeah, we should call use state here or some other React hooks, but it's our custom hooks. And let's return all data. Yeah, we returned here and we can use it in this file. Oh, we missed just function get weather. Yeah. So, yeah, I see it and let's check. Yeah. For example, with get weather. Yeah, it's still working and it's very good, I think. So what we have here now, we have just layout in this file and small functions with all value. In this file, we just use value. Don't do some calculations. We don't have some other hooks like use state, use effect, use callback, use memo. We just return some value and can use it in this file. It's a very good practice. It's a very good practice in big companies where we have files with more than 1000 lines of code, and it's very simple to understand what's going on in this file. Yeah, maybe you created this file 2 weeks ago and now try understand what happens now, and it's difficult to find something in very big file. And now we just separate logic and layout, and it's very very good practice. So use it, and your code will be very clear and readable. So what's wrap for part 2? We are added a working search flow, made the components more user friendly, and wrapped up the main logic of our React Weather widget. This was a great example of building a complete UI with fetch, use state, error handling, and public API. I forgot. I promise to show how loader works. Yeah. So in this button we have loading. If loading true, we show loading. In other case, get weather. Can we check it? Yeah, but very quickly. But if we in browser and open a network tab, yeah, here we can choose different internet speed. So let's use 3G, and when we try to call some API, it simulate slowly internet speed. Yeah, here we can see our loading, and it's a very very good practice, and we can check, yeah, our work of loaders or something else. Yeah, so for now that's really all. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.